Say hello to the Motif Aura Glow. This is their newest wearable breast pump, designed for convenience and comfort. Perfect for busy moms like me. It comes with everything you need right out of the box. You've got your pump motors, collection containers, a nipple ruler to help find the perfect fit, and breast shields with multiple insert sizes. They even include a cleaning brush and bra strap adjusters. Super thoughtful. One thing I love about the Motif Aura Glow, it's completely hands-free, so I can pump while I do, well, everything else. It's super discreet and lightweight, no cords, no bulky parts. So come with me while I collect eggs for my chickens and pump at the same time, thanks to the Motif Aura Glow. Because the Motif Aura Glow is completely hands-free, it's so much easier to lift the lid on the nesting boxes to collect eggs. Plus, the built-in nightlight makes it easy to check how much milk I'm collecting. And when I'm finished, pouring milk is a breeze thanks to the easy pour spout. No spills, no hassle, just simple and straightforward. The Motif Aura Glow lets me pump on my terms, whether I'm at home or out and about with my girls. Chickens included. It's designed by lactation professionals, comfortable, and even insurance eligible.